10 crucial signs your liver sends you signals. Today, we're addressing a topic of utmost importance: crucial signs of liver damage. Our liver is like the body's ultimate multitasker, performing a wide range of important jobs to keep us healthy. It's like a super filter, cleaning our blood by removing toxins and waste products. Plus, it helps break down food into energy and stores important nutrients for when we need them. Think of it as a storage unit for things our body can't use right away. Your liver, a silent hero in your body's functions, can face serious threats, and recognizing the signs of damage is essential for everyone, regardless of age or background. In this video, we'll explore these signs in a clear and straightforward manner, and also advert the causes of liver damage, effective prevention strategies. If you're curious about your liver health, stay tuned and watch this video until the end. Initial sign of liver issues is having light-colored stools. Ordinarily, the liver produces bile, which imparts the characteristic brown color to stool. However, disruptions in bile flow due to liver damage or conditions like fatty liver disease can lead to this alteration in stool color, while dietary factors or medications might occasionally induce light-colored stools. Persistent or recurring pale stools warrant attention as they could indicate underlying liver issues. Number 2, swollen right foot. Swelling in the right foot, known as pedal edema, can sometimes signal liver disease. The liver helps keep our body's fluid levels in balance, but when liver conditions like cirrhosis, hepatitis, or fatty liver disease occur, this balance can be disrupted, leading to fluid buildup, especially in the feet. This swelling can happen because the liver may not produce enough proteins to regulate fluid, or due to increased pressure in the blood vessels, among other reasons. Number 3, fatigue. Fatigue is a common symptom of liver disease, but it can be a bit tricky to understand because it's not just feeling tired or sleepy. It's more like a constant feeling of being worn out even after getting enough rest. Think of it as feeling drained or lacking energy to do even simple tasks like getting out of bed or doing chores. Liver disease can cause fatigue due to various reasons. The major factor is that the liver plays a crucial role in filtering toxins from the blood and helping with digestion. When the liver is damaged or not functioning properly, toxins can build up in the body, leading to fatigue and other symptoms. Number 4, abdominal pain. Abdominal pain, a common symptom of liver disease, is often described as a dull, throbbing, or sharp discomfort in the area of the abdomen beneath the ribs. This pain can range from mild to severe and may come and go or persist over time. Liver disease can cause abdominal pain due to inflammation, swelling, or pressure on the surrounding organs. The liver itself doesn't contain nerve endings that sense pain, so when it's damaged or inflamed, the pain is often referred to other areas of the abdomen. Number 5, easy bruising and bleeding. Easy bruising and prolonged bleeding are common manifestations of liver disease, often reflecting impaired blood clotting function. The liver plays a crucial role in synthesizing clotting factors and proteins necessary for proper blood clotting. When liver function is compromised, as in liver disease, the production of these clotting factors may be reduced, leading to a tendency to bruise easily and bleed for longer periods of time. Number 6, confusion and cognitive changes. When your liver gets really sick, it can mess with your brain. This condition is called hepatic encephalopathy. Basically, when your liver isn't working right, toxins like ammonia build up in your body instead of being cleaned out. Normally, the liver breaks down ammonia into urea, which is then removed through urine. But when the liver is struggling, ammonia levels can rise, causing confusion, trouble thinking clearly, and other mental changes. Number 7, dark urine. Dark urine is a symptom of various liver diseases, indicating a potential problem with liver function. As we mentioned before, the liver plays a crucial role in filtering toxins from the bloodstream, including bilirubin, a waste product produced by the breakdown of red blood cells. When the liver is not functioning properly, bilirubin can accumulate in the bloodstream, leading to its excretion through urine. This can cause the urine to appear darker in color than usual, often ranging from amber to brownish red. Number 8. Loss of appetite and weight loss. When your liver isn't working well, it can mess up your appetite and cause you to lose weight without trying. This happens because the liver plays a big role in how your body uses food for energy. When it's not functioning properly, your body can't absorb all the nutrients it needs, and your appetite can go down. Conditions like hepatitis, cirrhosis, or liver cancer can all lead to these problems. As the disease gets worse, you might find it harder to eat, and you might feel sick to your stomach or have pain in your belly, which can make things even worse. Number 9. Yellowed skin or eyes. Yellowed skin or yellowed eyes, also known as jaundice, can signal liver dysfunction. When the liver struggles to filter bilirubin effectively from the blood, the skin can take on a yellowish tint. This condition indicates potential liver damage, possibly stemming from hepatitis, cirrhosis, or exposure to harmful substances like certain drugs or toxins. If you notice yellowing of your skin, it's essential to seek medical advice promptly and consult with your doctor for proper evaluation and treatment. Number 10. Spider veins. Spider angiomas are tiny spider-like blood vessels that show up on the skin, mostly on the upper body, face, and neck. They happen when there are changes in how blood flows, usually because of liver damage, like in cirrhosis. High levels of a hormone called estrogen, which often occur in liver disease, can also make spider angiomas more likely because estrogen encourages the growth of new blood vessels. People with serious liver problems, especially cirrhosis, often have spider angiomas. They don't usually cause any problems themselves, but they can be a visible sign that something's up with the liver. If you're experiencing these symptoms, it's important to take action. They could be signs of liver damage, and seeking medical advice promptly is crucial. Your doctor can conduct appropriate tests to evaluate your condition and recommend necessary treatment. Early intervention is vital for preventing serious complications down the road. Top 3. Most common liver diseases worldwide and their causes. Alcoholic liver disease. Alcoholic liver disease is what happens when someone drinks too much alcohol over a long time. Our liver works hard to break down alcohol, but when we drink too much, it can damage the liver. Alcoholic liver disease can start with something called fatty liver, where the liver gets swollen because of too much fat. Then, it can get worse and cause something called alcoholic hepatitis, where the liver gets inflamed and can be really sore. Fatty liver disease. Fatty liver disease happens when too much fat builds up in the liver. Even if someone doesn't drink a lot of alcohol, it's becoming more common because many people eat too much unhealthy food and don't exercise enough. Think of it like when our body stores too much fat in our belly or thighs. The liver can store too much fat too. This can lead to problems like liver inflammation or even scarring. Hepatitis C virus infection. Hepatitis C is a virus that can infect the liver and cause problems. It spreads through blood, so it can happen if someone shares needles or gets a tattoo with a dirty needle. Hepatitis C virus can cause something called hepatitis, which is when the liver gets inflamed and swollen. If someone has hepatitis C for a long time, it can lead to cirrhosis, liver cancer, or liver failure. As we wrap up, I hope you found this information helpful in understanding the crucial signs of liver damage. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Thank you for watching.